Education, we're so used to structuring every single piece to make sure that the kids hit every little mark that sometimes they don't have the freedom to explore ideas that maybe we wouldn't have.
It engages students on a different level, gives them a guide to success that they might not have had without having those implementations of rubrics and challenging activities. It's not just in a book, it's in real life. And that's what education should be.
It's kind of given me that perspective of, well, why do I have to control that piece? Why can't I let the students choose? So rather than looking at it like, well, what am I going to grade specifically? I need to make sure they do this. It's more like, what can I step back from? Where can I give the students more choice and see where they flourish?
There's a rubric for each student, or there is a specific roles for each student that you can assign, and you can keep tracking their roles. And at the end of the activity, it will be one outcome that every single team member or every single student will put something for the product, and they will involve in this product and they will learn something.
The teacher, it empowers me to push them further. It's not a barrier, but more so a roadmap to greater success.